Hi everyone, I'm recording this video to take a quick walkthrough the project tracker that we have built. So as you can see, the aim of this project tracker is primarily so that our clients can have more visibility on how the projects are going. So it has a customer portal, which is the client login, and then it has the project manager portal where anyone from Lyzr or anyone managing the project from Lyzr can sort of sign up. So in this video, we'll basically start creating a project as a project manager and then see how the details are reflected for our clients. Okay, so you can sign up as an admin or as a project manager. You can use your Lyzr email for now and do the test, and the password is PE. So once you sign up, you will have a few projects that are already existing, what are their stages. You can of course edit these projects, but we'll try creating a new project. Let's say we are creating a demo project or a demo client, and the project manager is, let's say we have to add a new project, their name is demo. We can of course choose any of these are just the name that I was aware of. If we have to add a new project manager, as well, add the email like this, and then I can choose the project manager. I can so what is the start date, and so the end date is 3 weeks later. So these are some. Now it's the time to create tasks for that project. You can of course add custom tasks. You can create tasks. By default, I'm creating 3 tasks here. You can also go on and edit any of these. If you demo task 1, the phase of discovery, the client, user, or maybe the project are accountable. This starts from the first and the task is updated. If I have to change any other task, I'll say I can do, let's say, development phases, development that FP starts on next week, goes for a week later, maybe, right? So it has been shifted to the development phase, and similarly, you can keep on creating more tasks for this project and ultimately create this project. So once you create this project, it appears in the phase that you added this to, and from that link, you can go to the projects page. Once we are in the projects page, you can of course see all the tasks that we created, what is the progress. You can have a Kanban style board. So in this projects page, you can toggle around with different phases of the task. You can initiate the task, you can change the status, and then we also have a task specific page. So the task specific page is something that looks like this. Here also you can edit the task, edit all the details needed. An important part is that we have the communication hub in this task page, where you can also do the internal communication, which is only visible to the Lyzr team, and then we have a client facing communication where the customers can also comment and you can reply to the customer. So these are the comments that will be visible to the customer. The internal comments would be only visible to the Lyzr team. So this is how the admin's dashboard basically looks like. You can see all the projects. You can go deeper into specific project and make any changes as per your need. Now let's discuss what the client side looks like for this tracker. For example, if we have a project, we'll take this project. Now the project page contains the credentials for our clients, that how can they log into their own client page, which you can of course copy. So basically here you can log in as a customer, and the customer can use the credentials like the ones we got in our admin project manager dashboard. So this is the client side, and this is how the client's page looks like. A single client can have multiple projects going on. They can look at the progress and everything. So if they want to go deeper into one specific project, this is how the UI looks for them. They can see the overview of the different status of different tasks. They can also look at the tasks that we created as project managers, so they can have the visibility. And then they can also comment, like for example, if they want to know the status of this specific page, they can of course comment as a client, and this comment will then be visible in the project manager dashboard, where you can of course reply to this.